Hi guys, so I know it may not look like it. It's 11:30 and I'm editing this video and it probably doesn't look like I'm editing, but I swear I am. Boom, there you go. And I realized a lot of the audio in this video is very bad and this video is very choppy, but I hope you guys enjoy, so just keep watching and bear with me. I just hit myself in the face. Okay, watch this video, enjoy. Sorry for the audio, sorry for the lighting, sorry for the choppiness, but it's a cute video, so I swear you're gonna like it. But yeah, keep watching. Hey guys, so it's the morning and I'm tired, but I woke up about 2 hours ago and I've been cleaning my room. I'm not done yet. Obviously there's mess right there and stuff, and I've been sorting my closet, so whoa, shaky. What I'm gonna do is going to take a shower, and I'm gonna finish cleaning my room, take a shower, take out my retainers, brush my teeth, whiten my teeth, and probably do like a face mask, and then just get all my stuff ready to go to my friend's house to get like dressed and do makeup and stuff. I'm gonna also plan out my makeup, so you guys will see that. That should be a lot of fun. I'm not really sure what this video is becoming because I haven't like filmed me doing anything, just like me in between things, so that's right. Yeah, my skin like kind of is looking up, but it's not the best still, so we're gonna fix that with a nice face mask, and yeah, hopefully by homecoming everything will be good. Okay, so my room is clean, my bed is made, everything is good to go. I'm about to hop in the shower, and why am I doing this? I'm about to hop in the shower and like do everything. Okay, so I'm back. I refixed my nails so it doesn't really look too chipped right now, but also it's like a cream color, so it's a little bit different, but not too noticeable. Took my shower. What is that? Took my shower, like did everything that I needed to do, got it all done. I still have my retainers in because, you know, we want to keep our teeth as straight as possible, and I'll brush my teeth like an hour before I leave, which is like in an hour from now, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take my hair out in about 30 minutes, and yeah, that should be great. I'm very excited. I have my flannel on. That's a pro tip. This is a pro tip, PSA. If you are going to a dance or have an event and you're getting your makeup done or your hair done, or you're doing your hair or you're doing your makeup, put on something that's easy to take off, like a button down, because that way it won't like smear your face up with makeup and stuff. So I haven't done anything to my face yet. You know, we still have this acne going on, but that's okay. It's just a part of life. But yeah. Okay, so this is my shoebox and I'm using it to rest the camera on. That's that. Okay, so my birthday was in September. It's October now. Okay, sorry, I've been sneezing like all day. I don't know why, but so my birthday was in September, and I got my Sephora like gift box or whatever. So I I like went to this mall and got it. I chose for the month of September, they have the Glam Glow or the Bite like lip product stuff, so I chose the Glam Glow like skincare type of stuff because I'm more into skincare now, like taking care of my face. So there's this moisturizer. It's in the shade Nude Glow, but I tried it out on my hand and it didn't seem to like be that like different, but we'll see. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this tonight though, because I might try it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use it because I don't know. I don't want like flashback or whatever, because that's like, I mean, you look at the packaging, you look at my face, and that's like a difference. So yeah, I'm probably just going to use stuff that I continually always use because I don't want to like try anything and like have my like face and like makeup suffer from that. And then the second thing that comes in there is this Super Mud clearing treatment, so you can use that as a spot treatment or as just like a thin layer of like face mask. So I'm gonna try this now. I'm just gonna leave it on there for like 10 minutes and then take my hair out and then rub it off. So, or maybe I'll take it out before I'll take it off before I do it. So I'm gonna break the seal. At this point I like feel like I don't really have that many anymore, just because like what's been happening recently. So now we just gotta wait for this, and I'm probably gonna go take my hair out because yeah, I kind of just want to see like what it looks like. I'm just gonna take this off though because I don't need this anymore. So yeah, obviously I did like flexi rods, right? So, and every time I've done flexi rods, they never work out like at all, like ever. But we're gonna try it out and smooth some edges and stuff. But yeah, I kind of just want to take it out now, but my mom said to wait for her to take it out, so I guess that's what we're doing. I'm gonna go brush my teeth though, because Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 2:13 p.m.
It's 2:13 and I have to be at my friend's at 3 o'clock, so I kind of need to brush my teeth. I'm gonna go brush my teeth now. Okay, that's Katie's shoe. She's looking fine for the night. Yeah. She got her hair done. We were unsure of it. Yeah. Looks cute, so. I like it.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi to the vlog. That's Emmy.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying.